Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. I'm going to make penne pasta. I got this from an import store called Jupiter. And I have tomato sauce, I have an onion, garlic, and minced meat. This is salt. I'm going to make the seasoning. Thyme, rosemary, parsley. I'm going to have paprika, oregano, marjoram. Damn, I don't have any basil. That's alright. Once the water's boiled, I can put the penne noodles in. Cook it on high for about 10 minutes. I'm going to chop up some onions and garlic. This is my seasoning. My minced garlic and my chopped up onions. Extra virgin olive oil sprayer. This might not be enough. I might have to use regular oil. Yeah, not enough. Not enough. Regular canola oil. I'm adding some green peppers to this mixture. Smells so good. Wait till I put the seasoning in. I'm going to stir it up and then let it cook for a bit, then set it aside. Wow, it smells so good. The garlic and the onion and the green peppers, this smells so good. Okay, now for the seasoning. This stuff. By the way, I added some sugar. Oh yes, the penne noodles are super soft. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Cook up this meat. Then I'm going to put everything back together with the tomato sauce. And it should be done. I didn't wash the frying pan because of the salt and garlic and the seasoning that's still on the skillet. It'll add more flavor to the meat. So you know what? I'm going to add a little bit of this Japanese shiokusho. This is salt and pepper. Just a little bit. So I'm going to cook this up until it's brown. Okay, I'm going to take out the meat. I'm going to drain the oil. I've changed frying pans. I'm going to let this drain. I'm going to cook up this tomato sauce and then put everything together. I'm using up the whole bottle. I'm going to add the meat and the seasoning. Oh, it's going to marry everything. It's going to be fantastic. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm just gonna let this cook for a while. I'm gonna have a sample of it. Oh my god, that is amazing. Amazing. This is tonight's dinner. This sauce is going on top of this pasta. It is fantastic. And that's how to make it. So let it cook for a while and turn it off and serve hot. Here's the final product. I've already put some Parmesan cheese on it. It is fantastic tasting and it's so easy to make. Sorry about that, guys. I said penne noodles. They're penne. They're pronounced penne noodles. I'm going to eat it in front of you.